Yan. So, ngayon nga, pag-aaralan natin yung piecewise function. So, ito ay kalimitang pinag-aaralan sa first quarter ng grade 11. So, ano ba ang piecewise function? So, pag sinabi natin piecewise function, this is a function with respect to a number of discrete intervals, sets, or pieces. So, ano ba yung sinasabi nating discrete? So, ibig sabihin, meron silang iba't ibang interval. Different nga kumbaga. So, piecewise function, so given tayo ng iba't ibang function, kagaya nga nitong ating example ngayon. So yan, we have functions 9 minus x squared, wherein we have the interval x is less than 2. Next, square root of x plus 7, wherein x is greater than or equal to 2, but less than 10. And we have round up x minus 4, wherein x is greater than or equal to 10. So, yun yung mga kalimitang examples for piecewise functions. Sabi ko nga, magkakaiba sila. So, magkakaiba sila ng interval with different functions. So, ngayon naman, magsosolve tayo ng piecewise function. Yan. So, yung first example natin ay solve for f of 2. F of 2. Ngayon, hahanapin natin dun sa given natin kung saang interval ba belong ang 2. So, makikita mo, meron doon square root of x plus 7 and x is greater than or equal to 2 but less than or equal to less than by 10. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, yung 2 is makikita mo in between dito sa interval na to. So, ganun yung ating focus. Next, isasubstitute natin itong 2 ngayon dun sa ating given function, which is square root of x plus 7. So, substitute 2 to x. That's why we have square root of 2 plus 7. Next, 2 plus 7, we have 9. Square root of 9. So, we have two answers. We have positive and negative 3. So, we have the second example wherein we have f of 12.5. So, saan ba natin makikita ang 12.5? In which interval? So, dun sa ating given, meron tayo dong round up x minus 4, x is greater than or equal to 10. Diba? Makikita natin ang 12.5 sa x greater than or equal to 10. 10 pataas. Okay? So, kasama ang 12.5 doon. Then, next, substitute the given 12.5 to our function, which is x minus 4. So, round up 12.5 minus 4. So, we have 8.5. Then, 8.5 round off. So, we have 9. So, that's the answer. So, next example is f of negative 3. Again, you're going to find for the interval wherein negative 3 is included. So, makikita natin siya dun sa x less than 2. So, ano bang function meron dun sa x less than 2? So, sa given natin, we have 9 minus x squared. So, you're just going to substitute negative 3 to the x value. So, 9 minus, open and close parenthesis kasi negative yan. So, you're going to put it inside the parenthesis. Then, square kasi x square siya. Then, 9 minus negative 3 square. So, we have 9. 9 minus 9, we got 0. So, that's the final answer. Next. So, we have f of 5. So, ang positive 5 ay included dito sa interval na to wherein we have x greater than or equal by 2 but less than 10. So, isasubstitute mo ngayon itong 5 dito sa ating function square root of x plus 7. So, yung 5, substitute sa x, we have 5 plus 7 square root of 12. Again, ang 12 ay walang exact ng square root pero pwede mo pa siyang kunin yung radicals niya. So, we have square root of 4 times 3 because 4 has its perfect square, which is positive 2. So, labas natin, we have 2, then square root of 3. That is the final answer. Then, last example, we have f of 1.5. So, ang 1.5 ay makikita natin sa interval na x less than 2. So, ano bang function meron doon sa x less than 2? Again, meron tayong 9 minus x squared. Just substitute, we have 9 minus square of 1.5. So, 9 minus 2.25, 9 minus 2.25, we have 6.75. So that is the final answer.